In today's video, I will walk you through how to check if a coin is liquid enough to trade on CoinGecko. Before you buy or sell a cryptocurrency, it's important to know whether the coin is actually liquid enough to trade. A coin might look active because it has a price and trading volume, but low liquidity can make it difficult to enter or exit a position at the price you expect. In this video, I'll show you how to use CoinGecko to check whether a coin has enough liquidity before you trade. Start by opening CoinGecko in your browser and searching for the coin you want to review. Click the coin from the search results to open its full asset page. Once you're on the coin page, the first thing to check is the 24-hour trading volume. You'll usually find this near the top of the page, along with the price, market cap, and other market data. The 24-hour volume shows how much of the coin has been traded over the last day. In general, higher trading volume can suggest better liquidity, but volume alone is not enough to confirm that a coin is easy to trade. Next, scroll down to the Markets section on the coin page. This is one of the most useful areas for checking liquidity because it shows where the coin is being traded and which trading pairs are available. You'll see a list of exchanges, trading pairs, price information, and reported trading activity. Start by looking at how many exchanges list the coin. If the coin is available on several well-known exchanges, that's usually a stronger sign of liquidity than if it's only traded on one small platform. A coin listed across multiple active exchanges often has more consistent market activity and more opportunities to buy or sell. Then look at the specific trading pairs. For example, you may see the coin paired with USDT, BTC, Ether, or a fiat currency. Focus on pairs that show meaningful activity rather than pairs with very little movement. If most of the trading is happening on one active pair, that may still be usable, but if all the pairs show very weak activity, the coin may be harder to trade efficiently. You should also pay attention to the exchange trust score shown in the Markets section. CoinGecko uses trust score to help evaluate exchange reliability and market quality. If a coin's trading activity is mostly coming from exchanges with stronger trust signals, that can give you more confidence than volume coming from unknown or low-quality exchanges. Another thing to check is whether the volume appears concentrated in one place or spread across multiple exchanges. Healthy liquidity often means there are several active markets, not just one isolated source of trading. Finally, combine all of these signals together: the 24-hour trading volume, the number of exchanges listing the coin, the activity on major trading pairs, and the trust score of those exchanges. If the coin has active markets, reliable exchange listings, and steady volume across relevant pairs, it's more likely to be liquid enough to trade. And that's how to check if a coin is liquid enough to trade on CoinGecko.